Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to set the date on a Honeywell Programmable Thermostat. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional video. Once again, these will be easy instructions showing you and telling you specifically how to set the date on a Honeywell Programmable Thermostat, just like this one right here. So how do you set the date? Really easy to do. First and foremost, you want to press any of the buttons to illuminate the screen, okay? So I'm going to press a button to illuminate the screen, then I'm going to go to the menu over here. From the menu, I'm going to press the plus or minus button until I get to date. Once I'm on the date, I'm going to press select, okay? Now then you can select, that doesn't really make quite sense. Oh my gosh, that doesn't really make quite sense. That doesn't really make sense quite that much. Anyways, back to business over here. Now you can select the date at this point. 2023, okay, I'm gonna push select. October, push select. 30th, yes, it's the day before Halloween when I'm filming this. I'm gonna push select, okay? And then it saved it. That's it. You literally select the date like that. Now, if I wanted to change it, I could push date right here, right? So I'm on the date option over here. I'm going to select the date to change the date. I could change it to 2024 using the plus or minus. Okay, I'm going to leave it at 2023, obviously. You could change the month like this, plus or minus. So you can change things using the plus or minus and select the options. So once again, it is October 30th, 2023. So this is correct. And it is a Monday. I'm going to push select. And once you've selected all of the date options, it saves it. You can then go back home and you're done. That is it. That is how to set the date on a Honeywell Programmable Thermostat, just like this one right here. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And hopefully you set your date easily using this instructional video tutorial. And that's basically it. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.